Hey guys, Russ Tyndall here with BlueLine CNC. Welcome to the channel. I'm going to introduce you today. This is going to be a quick video. I'm going to introduce you guys to a tool. You may be familiar with it, you may not, but if you're not familiar with it, once you start using this thing, you're going to be glad I introduced you to it. And that has to do with rattle cans and mixing and making sure they're properly shaken. You know, if you look on the directions on the back of a rattle can for finishes, it says, you know, shake vigorously for a minute or 2 minutes. And by the time you get done shaking that can per the instructions, your elbow's sore, your shoulder's sore, your muscles are sore. And if you got a lot of rattle cans that you're doing or you're shaking up to do a large project or something like that, you're busy doing a lot of shaking. And I want to show you this cool product. And if you've got a reciprocating saw, and most of us do, that's what these are. It's a reciprocating saw. This one's a DeWalt. And guys, I'm going to put links to all this stuff in the description, so don't worry about writing this down or anything. Just you can click on the links and you can purchase all these things if you don't have them. By clicking on my links in the description, they help me out a little bit. Doesn't cost you any more. I would greatly appreciate it. It's just my Amazon affiliate links. So what this is of course a reciprocating saw, and this device that I want to show you is called a MixKwik, and it holds the rattle can and it shakes it for you so you don't have to do the heavy lifting. So I'm going to try to do this in a manner that so I don't have to set it down on any surface. But basically what you do is you insert this MixKwik into your reciprocating saw, into the end, and then it's got a, whoops, see I'm already screwing this up because I'm trying to do it one-handed. There we go. All right, let's see here. And basically what you do is you take your can of lacquer or paint or whatever you want to spray and mix up, and you insert it into this MixKwik, okay, just like this, and then you tighten down the belt. And then with it inserted into your reciprocating saw, let's see if I can get this whole thing on here, it shakes it for you. Effortlessly. You don't have to do the work. I love this. I absolutely love this thing. And when I've got a whole bunch of projects that I'm trying to spray, like I said, indispensable. I'm going to put links down below in the description. Pick yourself up one. You're going to thank me for it. I can promise you that. So with that, cheers. If you like the content I put on this channel, please be sure to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the like button to this video and hit the bell icon to be notified when I push new stuff out. So take care, guys. Be safe in your shops. Wear your eye protection, wear your hearing protection, and have a great day.